Nakatry na ba kayo ng hot prawn salad? Favorite ko kasing orderin to sa mga Chinese restaurants. And this is how you make it. First, marinate your shrimps with salt, pepper, and Spanish paprika for about 10 minutes. Then, add egg. Then, i-coat natin yung shrimps one by one in a cornstarch and flour mixture. Ito lang yung medyo e-effortan mo ng konti but worth it naman kasi masarap siya. Frozen shrimps nga pala yung ginamit ko dito pero better fresh para mas malasa yung shrimps. After that, i-fry naman natin yung shrimps in a medium hot oil until golden brown and crispy. Mabilis lang maluto yung shrimps kaya this will only take about 3 minutes. Pag okay na, set aside and drain the excess oil. To make the salad sauce, i-add natin yung mayonnaise in a low heat pan. Then mag-add lang tayo ng condensed milk. Yung amount is depende kung gano'n nyo katamis gusto. Then I added 1 cup of fruit cocktail na may kasamang around 1 tablespoon of fruit cocktail juice. You can taste and adjust kung gano'n katamis nyo preferred. Mix well and pag medyo mainit na, pwede na natin i-add yung shrimps na niluto natin earlier. I-mix natin ulit para ma-coat lahat ng shrimps with the sauce. Turn off the heat and put on top of a bed of lettuce. Meron pa akong konting cucumbers kaya in-add ko na rin. Serve and enjoy immediately while it's still warm. This is so good, you guys. Ang mahal kaya nito sa mga Chinese restaurants. Madali lang naman siya i-prepare, diba? Kaya if you have the patience and time to cook, make your own na lang.